Welcome back to CarOg 765, the channel where we take you through the golden era of classic cars and trucks that shaped automotive history. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing content on legendary vehicles from the past. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic pickups ever built, the 1953 Ford F-100. This truck didn't just change the way people looked at work vehicles, it set the stage for decades of Ford's F-Series dominance in America. Let's start with the exterior. The 1953 Ford F-100 was introduced to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Ford Motor Company, and the design reflected a new era of style. Unlike its predecessor, the F1, the F-100 came with a wider, lower, and more modern stance. The front end showcased a bold new grille with a horizontal bar design and integrated headlights that gave the truck a tougher, more streamlined look. The hood was longer and flatter, and the fenders blended more smoothly into the body, moving away from the boxier look of the late 1940s. The bed also featured straighter lines, making it both functional and stylish. Buyers had the choice of several body styles, including the classic stepside and panel versions. Chrome trim and two-tone paint options added extra personality for those who wanted their truck to stand out. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 1953 Ford F-100 was designed with both work and comfort in mind. Ford moved away from purely utilitarian cabins and gave drivers something more refined. The dashboard was redesigned with a large speedometer right in the center and easy-to-read gauges surrounding it. A wider, more comfortable bench seat replaced the older, more cramped seating. The truck also featured better insulation for reduced road noise, which was a big improvement at the time. While it wasn't luxurious by modern standards, it represented a major leap forward in driver comfort for the pickup market. Optional features like a heater and radio made the truck feel more like a family vehicle rather than just a farm tool. Now, onto performance. Under the hood, the 1953 Ford F-100 offered two engine choices. The standard powerplant was a 215 cubic inch inline-six engine producing around 101 horsepower. For those who needed more power, Ford offered the legendary flathead V8, displacing 239 cubic inches and delivering about 106 horsepower. These engines were paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, but Ford also offered an optional 4-speed for heavy-duty use. The F-100's improved suspension and wider track gave it better handling and stability compared to earlier models. It could haul and tow with ease while still being manageable as a daily driver. The introduction of stronger brakes and more durable axles made it a truck that could handle real work while still providing reliability. And finally, the conclusion. The 1953 Ford F-100 was more than just a pickup truck. It was a statement of Ford's innovation and its commitment to building vehicles that combined utility with style. It marked the beginning of the second generation of F-Series trucks and set the foundation for what would become the best-selling truck line in America. Today, the 53 F-100 is a highly sought-after classic, cherished by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Whether restored to original condition or customized into a hot rod, this truck represents the perfect blend of history, style, and rugged performance. If you enjoyed this look at the 1953 Ford F-100, don't forget to subscribe to CarOg 765 for more deep dives into classic cars and trucks. Drop a comment below and let us know what vehicle you'd like us to cover next. Until then, keep the engines roaring and the passion for classics alive.